Hello guys, welcome back to SSI Performance. Today we've got a Glanza on the Dyno for a tuning session. We'll hopefully make about 220 brake on this one. It's a stock 4 FTE turbo, and obviously it's got a TDO4 full 30cc injectors.
The basic stuff, the standard stuff, it's in there right now. Shout out to Ash and Sush, the owners of the car. But yeah, we've got a map sorted in there right now. We've literally just got it set up on the Dyno, so
we're going to just get the steady state mode up, fueling.
The boring part out of the way.
Get all the fueling correctly, and we should get some power runs and hear this baby singing. First run, making 202 brake horsepower. So at 0.7 bar, making 202 brake horsepower. So we're going to up the boost now. Sean's going to take the map over, make sure it's all good. And then at 0.8 bar, we should do another run. It should make around about 210, 215. Second one, making 204 brake horsepower, which started braking up at the top end. So we had a misfire issue at the top end, so what we're going to do now is change king lead. Yes. Obviously that's a quick easy fix. Do a little pull, make sure at the top end it runs good at the top end because it's misfiring. So we're going to change this over and hopefully it runs a lot better than before. If that doesn't fix the issue, we do have a spare coil pack.
Always genuine.
It's a genuine one as well. This one's off our personal GT as well. So we're going to swap that over if this king lead does not fix it.
And then we've also got some HTVs to chuck on just in case both of these don't work. Because normally when you turn up the boost on cars that aren't running a link or coil on plug, you run into ignition problems. So we'll change all these out and hopefully fix the problem.
And also we have put some brand new spark plugs in, so that's all the sparking issue sorted out. Misfiring at the top end, but we changed king lead and coil pack, so we'll do some diagnostics now, see what the issue is. We've changed some big issues already, and obviously spark plugs are brand new, so there's nothing wrong with them. So I'm going to carry on, do some diagnostics there, show you what with the computer, so we'll sort it out. So we've just come to the conclusion it might be the ECU. We've had this fault before, so we've got a spare one on the shelf. We don't know if it works yet. Obviously we've got to plug it in to see if it works.
Yeah, tell them what goes wrong with the ultimates. What had wrong happened before.
Obviously what's happening right now, it's misfiring at the top end. What else can go wrong with the ultimates?
It holds rev limit at 6.5k for some reason, even though launch controls off, the rev limit's been raised, etc. So it's actually happened very recently on DJR imported car down with an ultimate on it. Did the exact same thing. So we tried injectors, we tried everything mechanical to try and solve the problem. Literally everything, we tried everything.
Yeah, before we put this on the dyno, we did flow test the injectors, cleaned them all out, all sweet. And obviously we've done everything except from an ECU. So this is the next result now. Hopefully, fingers crossed, this works. because obviously
We've got no idea if this one works. It was lying around, not been used for a couple of years, I'd imagine.
Yeah.
So it's fingers crossed right now. Hopefully it pulls out.
Hopefully, when the customer comes back with a big smile when it all works.
Yes.
So let's get this ECU on then. So this is the first one now on obviously our ECU. So we're going to check if it's all good. We're going to check if the fueling's okay. We'll upload the mount, so it should be the same. We're going to do right and see how much this one makes. No, misfire. I think we're running into the same problem. Is that the same again, Sean? Yeah. Just keep them running to the same issue. That's at 0.7. The same. Your control's working completely fine, but obviously it's still running the misfire issue at the top end. So we're going to try and solve this issue, but it's difficult to really do now because the issue they're both not good. So ideally we need to manage so we hope to finish question and try and do something. So obviously we've got to drive at home. It's still okay to drive, especially where the fueling and that is all wrecked, but it just needs to be easy. So I just spoke to Sean. What we're going to do now is change the HT leads over because I haven't tried them yet, and also bump the fuel pressure up. If that doesn't work, we are going to lower the rev range so you can still enjoy the car at this boost pressure, because obviously it's running into misfire issues at the top end. So we're just going to do that now, bump the fuel pressure up and HT leads. Swap them over. Hopefully, fingers crossed, that fixed the issue. But let's see what it's like. So Sean's just let out because obviously we bumped the fuel pressure up. Notice the fuel will be off as well. So Sean's going to correct that before doing another run. 233. We just made 233 brake horsepower at 0.9 bar boost. The reason why it's not sounding all the way was Sean's put a limiter at 6,500 RPM, so it's drivable. It's not missing misfires issues. Obviously, it was revving it all out. It was misfiring quite bad, so it's nice and drivable now, and it'll be nice and reliable. So next thing is we've got to get it off the dyno, do a road test, make sure the tune's all good before the customer hands it back.
So guys, me and Sean are in the car. We just finished on the dyno. We're just checking over everything before the customer leaves, just to make sure while we've got the laptop that the map is sweet as a nut. So as well, guys, just sort of quickly mention this car has a rev limit of 6,500. Unfortunately, this thing was misfiring top end. I think it's an e-manage issue. Dan's mentioned it in the video anyway, so you guys would know about that. So if any of you are wondering why, if we get any decent footage, why the rev or the range doesn't feel as long, that's why we've lost 1,000 RPM. But it's still managed to make 235 at 0.95 bar, which is really good. I've not had any issues with this other than, as mentioned, the manage. But yeah.
pass it over to you.
So that's the end of the road test now. It's like 233 brake horsepower on the dyno. Obviously it's set down to 6,500 RPM on the limiter because we solved all the issues on the misfire because of the ECU. So this car will be back shortly on a link monsoon. So hope you guys have liked this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new around here. Comment down below and I'll see you guys in the next one.